Hello, my name is Impini. This is the baby name program assignment 4. Solution is in Java. Let's get started. This is how the program looks like. You can choose a gender. Let's choose male here. And you need to input a minimum name names. Let's put 5. You also need to input a maximum name names. Let's put 12. You can also input a degree of order. Let's put 3. And last, you can input a number of names to generate. Let's put 10. So you can see that 10 names are generated on the screen. So let's check out our classes. The Java classes is basically the text interface. You look right there. It's basically about getting the variables from user. Things like gender, maximum name names, minimum name names, and so on. Let's look at the baby name class, the main class that generates baby names. It contains variables, Markov model, and the learning process that needed for generating baby names. The variables of classes are gender, maximum name names, minimum name names, order of model, array list that stores existing names, hash table for name needed training, and file names. So we will start the learning process after initialize the class. The learn from names class read names from text file based on gender. Learn the names use Markov model function. It reads the text file based on gender and then process each line of names use Markov model. It also stores all names into existing names. So let's see the Markov model function. The Markov model function builds a Markov model with a name and a model order. The steps are first, it will append underscores to the beginning and the end of each name. If order is greater than 1, it will append the corresponding number of underscores, else it will only append 1 underscore. And then it will learn and process each name. Store data titles as key and next data as array list into the hash table. For example, name June with order 1 will store J as key, O as next letter, and O as key, H as next letter. Name June with order 2 will store J, O as key, H as next letter, O, H as key, and N as next letter. If key already exists, we will just add it to the string array to increase the probability. For example, Joe and June with order 2 will store J, O as key and E, H in string array. So this is basically the learning process. Let's take a look at how we generate names. So it's pretty straightforward. We first getting the start letters by appending underscores based on order. And then we keep getting next letters until we have an underscore append appears. It means the end of the finding next letter. And then we remove underscores and add it to the list if it's not already exist or generated. Also, it has to be greater than or equal to the minimum name names, less than or equal to the maximum name names. So the getNextLater function is the function we generate next letter. How we handle the probability and choose letter based on probability can be explained in this function. Since we store all letters in an array list, random index would just do the probability for us. For example, we have a key letter J and the array list of this key has 3 letters stored in it. And the array list have a size of 3, it stores 2 E's and 1 S. Since random number would be choose from 0 to 2, E's chance to get the picked is 60%, and S's chance to get the picked is 33%. That's my presentation.